In this Rock Like the Pros Intermediate Practice and Technique Challenge video, this one's going to be really cool. I'm going to show you how many different rhythms: quarter notes, eighth notes, triplets, 16th notes, and really what this lesson is about is the tremolo. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm your guide. I'm Terry Carter. I'm glad you're here for this one. This one's going to be all about the right hand. As we go through these different rhythms, you're going to really lock these in, especially when we bring in the backing track. Quarter notes, eighth notes, triplets, 16th notes, and then really the tremolo. That's what this is all about. I'll get to that all in a second. But you know what I want you to do? I want you to win one of two Kala guitars that we have for this challenge. Okay? The first one, a Kala Mini Orchestra. Absolutely fantastic. This is free to enter this one. Click the link below. Go sign up for free. Subscribe right here. Rock Like the Pros. Go over to Kala. Subscribe to their channel. Comment on these videos. Smash the like button. You know the drill. And then to really be entered, you got to enter at least one of your videos over at the free Rock Like the Pros forum. But the more videos you post, the more chances you have to win. So make sure you do all these videos. Okay, so that's nothing required except to sign up and post a video for that. But if you want to have a chance to win a Kala parlor guitar, that's the one. That's my favorite. You got to become a VIP. The VIPs get all the tab, they get all the PDFs, they get all the backing tracks, they get access to the private Zoom call with me, and then they have a chance to win that Kala parlor guitar. How cool is that? Thanks, Kala, for hooking us up in this challenge. So, all right. Are you ready? This one's going to be cool. I actually don't even need the left hand in this one. It's going to be all about the right hand. Let me show you what you're about to learn. All right. That's just a sample of what we're about to learn in this video, but we're actually going to include quarter notes, eighth notes, and then what I did there was triplets, 16th notes, and the tremolo. Now, I brought out my white Strat for this one. Of course, any guitar will work. We are going to be using alternate picking with this one, so that's going to be a great one. Again, don't even have to worry about the left hand. It's all about the picking hand, or the right hand in my case, because I'm right-handed. All right, if you need a guitar, straps, picks, capos, anything, the number one store, store.rocklikethepros.com. We're going to start right here on the open first string. We're going to start with quarter notes. Quarter notes get one note per beat. We're going to do each one of these rhythms for one measure. So it's going to be 4 quarter notes. So 1, 2, 2. There it is. 3, 4. Then we're going to do a measure of eighth notes. Eighth notes are a half of a beat each. So there'll be 8 eighth notes in a measure. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to do a measure of triplets. Triplets are 3 notes per beat. So it's 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. It's real important here that you count and that you tap your foot to the beat, because it has a tendency when we get to the triplets, or even in the next one, the 16th notes, that we want to rush, okay? Then that's the next one. The next one is 16th notes. 16th notes are worth a 16th, 16th note. So it's 16 notes per measure, all right? Or each beat is worth a quarter of a beat. All right, so the way we're going to count them is 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and then the last one here is the tremolo. Now the tremolo is really going to be like 30 seconds notes, but you're just going to do this. 4, 1. But we're still going to count. Okay, so it's still going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're going to do that. And what the trick with the tremolo is that you got to have a real nice, relaxed wrist to get there. All right, so let's just do it. No backing track yet. Let's just do those together, and then we'll add the back track. And when we do the back track, we're going to do all 6 strings. But right now, we're just going to be on the first string. Here we go. Watch it. 2, 3, 4. So chord notes. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4. 16th notes. 1E and 2E, 3, 4. Now the tremolo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And then try to hit beat 1 as a downstroke as you hear 4 clicks. And then you're going to go to the second string. You're going to do all those rhythms again, all 5 of them. 4 clicks, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and the sixth string. What do you think so far? All right, leave a comment below. This is a tough rhythm, but it's a really cool rhythm to get down. Let's try it now with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... How did you do on that? Leave a comment below. Whew. I felt I was in the zone for that one. Just flowing with the music, real light. You got to be light and relaxed with this hand and really lock into that rhythm. So anyway, man, what a fun one to do. Now that one was a way slower backing track than a lot of the ones we've been doing. That was at 65, just because when you started getting into tremolo and 16th notes, just better to do at a slower tempo. Man, if you want the backing track, if you need the tab, if you want to have a chance to win that color parlor, VIP. We'll put that link below so you can go sign up. You're not done with this one, because remember, you got to post a video of yourself doing this over at the free Rock Like the Pros forum as well. All right, had a great time with you on this one. If you're digging this stuff, we're getting near the end. We're going to have an advanced technique workshop. That's going to be an additional thing after this you can sign up for. It's going to be with me, some special guests. We're going to take these kind of techniques and just really do more advanced stuff. So if you're into that, make sure to sign up for that. All right, great job. I'm proud of you. We're not done. Stay with us. Keep motivated. Keep focused. And I'll see you in the next one.